My name is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about Supreme Court to resume physical mentioning of cases. Advocates on record party in person may mention their fresh matters physically from 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Monday to Friday and from 10:30 a.m. to 11 on Saturday. The Supreme Court had decided to resume physical mentioning of cases before mentioning officers from July 5, 2021. The court has suspended physical mentioning in April soon after the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic broke out. In a circular issued on Thursday, the court has stated that advocates on record parties in person may mention their fresh matter physically from 10:30 a.m. to 12 on Monday to Friday. The mentioning can be done physically and through video conference mode, the circular said. Those who intend to mention matters through VC will have to be submit from respective registered email ID their requests in the listing pro forma along with a letter of urgency on email ID mention.sc on working days before 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Monday to Friday. The request should specify the subject mentioning through VC on receipt of such request in the listing performer. Mentioning through VC will be permitting on the next day within the time stipulated. AORs or the party in person may send it from respective registered email ID their request to mention a on working days before 10 and between 10 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. on Saturday, which shall be placed before the content authority for oral mentioning through video conferencing only. Before the bench of presiding judge have quorum in that matter. When the second wave of the pandemic began, all Supreme Court judges started holding out proceedings from their respective residents and physical mentioning of cases was suspended. Those who intend to mention matters through VC video calling will have to submit from respective registered email ID their request in the listing performer along with the letter of urgency on email on working days before 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. The request should specify the subject mentioning through video call on receipt of such request in the listing performer. Mentioning through VC will be permitted on the next day within the time stipulated. Thank you.